Hello, it's Monday, the 14th of February 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar strengthened against most of the major currencies after the Federal Reserve said that an increase in Treasury yields indicates growing confidence that the US recovery will gain strength, and that the trade balance came out minus $40.60 billion better than the expected minus $40.70 billion. Nasdaq strengthened by 0.68%, and the Dow rose by 0.36%. Crude fell by 1.3% to close at $85.58 a barrel, and gold weakened by 0.2% to close at $1,359 an ounce. Today, no economic data is expected. The euro extended losses to touch a two-day low against the dollar on speculation that Portugal may tap Europe's bailout fund and good economic data from the US. The euro-dollar is facing support at 135. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 134.97 and a high of 136.21. Today, industrial production is expected at minus 0.20% versus 1.40% prior. The pound weakened against the dollar over concerns that this year's gains were overdone after the Bank of England left interest rates at a record low yesterday, dimming speculation that rates may rise later in the year. The pair's support is 1.6 on the daily chart. If the pair breaks below this level again today, the pair could decline to 159. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.63 and a high of 161.13. Today, no major economic data is expected. The yen fell against the greenback last Friday, but with GDP coming out at minus 0.30% better than the expected minus 0.50%, the yen started rising against the dollar and the other majors. After the dollar-yen broke resistance at 83 last Friday, this has now become its new support level. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 82.24 and a high of 83.67. No economic data is expected today. The Canadian dollar rose against most of its major counterparts as an unexpected trade surplus in December encouraged speculation that the Bank of Canada will raise borrowing costs sooner than other central banks. The dollar-CAD support is located at 0.9840. As long as the rate remains below 1.00, the Canadian dollar is the more attractive. Next resistance is located at 99.20. Overall, the dollar-CAD traded with a low of 0.9862 and a high of 0.9986. Today, no major economic data is expected. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.